Probably him that just ate it way up there. I think so. I think he ate it like the very beginning. What is he doing?
Awesome.
He's over there. He like ate it and then he tried to get back up and then. Over here.
Oh, is that him now?
I think so. Oh, we can't see him do his rail.
Oh, there's one. Where's Raj?
Back here, he's coming in the back.
Oh, good. You can get a full run from him.
Bruce, did you fall in the beginning?
Oh.
Who?